So a principal argument is the location or the angle that your complex number is acting at with reference to your x-axis or your real axis. And we call it the principal argument so that we know it is there is only a single value, because of course with your unit circle the wheels on the bus go round and round, so there are multiple values or factors of 2 pi that a complex number could be acting at. And so we define a domain for a principal argument, and that is between negative pi and pi. So it's just a single unit circle, and whatever angle we get, we need to just make sure that we are within that domain. All right, so if I look at the angle 7 pi on 4, well, 7 pi on 4 is nearly 8 pi on 4, which is nearly 2 pi. So that's going to be in my fourth quadrant, okay? And this angle over here is pi on 4, and remember that clockwise from 0 is your positive direction, so that's my angle of 7 pi on 4. Now we need a domain, so our domain that we're looking for is between negative pi and pi. So this is where negative pi would be, and that goes all the way around to positive pi, okay? And we could start with our 0 as being our reference point. So any angle that's going between 0 and pi, we're going to be having in the top part of our top half of our unit circle, and any angle from 0 down into quadrants 3 and 4 will be negative. So if I have a look over there, you could either go from 0 and go negative, or you can say, well, 7 pi on 4, if I minus 2 pi from it, I'll get my negative angle. So my argument of z is going to be 7 pi on 4 minus my 2 pi, which is going to be negative pi on 4. And hopefully that's quite obvious from the diagram. All right, let's have a look at negative 5 pi on 2. Okay, well, if I start at 0 and I'm going in the negative direction, so negative 5 pi on 2, well, that's negative 2 pi minus pi on 2. So I'm going to go all the way around to negative 2 pi, and then I have to minus another pi on 2. All right, so this is where my angle is sitting. Now I need to say to myself, well, in my domain, for a principal argument, it's going to be negative pi to positive pi, and that means I'm going to have negative pi on 2, or negative 5 pi on 2 plus 2 pi. So my argument, negative 5 pi on 2 plus 2 pi. And obviously you can just keep on adding multiples of 2 pi until you get something in your domain that you're looking for, is negative pi on 2.